So I'm gonna install this oil galley plug, oil diverter. Make sure you lube these O-rings and then put it right there. Yeah, just like that. I just used some of the old oil. Yeah. So push it in there until it's flush. Just like that. Rear main seal, I'm just gonna change the whole cover. I'm not even gonna mess around with trying to line the seal up. We're gonna just put a whole new cover on it with the seal already. All right, so the rear cover it's tightened up, but it's just on there very loose because we have to wait till the oil pan is getting ready to be installed. That way we can make sure the corners are flush and so we don't have any leaks. But that is the rear cover with the new seal just installed. And selling this Gen 3 LS drive-by-wire ECU, fuse box, intake, throttle body complete thing, uncut harness. Gen 3 LS drive-by-wire, intake, ECU, fuse box, uncut harness.